Hi students, good morning to all. How are you? I hope you all are safe. So this is class for 3rd standard. So today's topic is place value and expansion of numbers. Place value and expansion of numbers. Before that you have to learn about in the previous class expanded form and 4-digit number, 5-digit number, 6-digit numbers and number names and how it is show on abacus and place value chart also, so etc. So today we will discuss about place value and expansion of numbers. So place value, first place value, the value of a digit in a number, it is determined by the place, it has a number, the value of place. So 8, so for example 6248, so this is the digit, one digit in the number, so this is place. Which place nana? Ones place, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, so 8 is ones place, so 8 ones place. And next 4, so 4 is which place nana? Tens place. Which place? Tens place. And 2 is which place nana? Hundreds place, hundreds place. And 6 thousand place, so 9, so 8, first one 8 into 1 because ones place, 8 into 1 ones place, its place value is 8. What? 8. And next 4 into 10, 10 is tens place, 10 is tens place, its place value is 40. 4 tens are 40. And next 2 hundreds place, 2 into 100 because it is hundreds place, its place value is hundreds place. And next 6 into 1000, its place value 200 nana, sorry, place value is 6000. So I will repeat it again. The place value, the value of digits in a number, it is determined by the place it has in the number. So the place value and determined by the which place. So okay, 6248 is the example. 8 is ones place, 4 is tens place, 100 is 200 hundreds place 2 and 6 place 1000. So 8 into 1 because it is ones place, so its place value is 8. And 10 is 4 into 10, its place value is 40. And 6 into 100, so because it is hundreds place, so its place value is 200. And 1000 is 6, 1000 into 6 into 1000, its place value is 6000. So this is the place value. So next, expansion of numbers. What? Expansion of numbers. The sum of the place values of digit of a number, it is called expanded form of the number. So the sum of the place, so digit place, so which place and which place and it is form, how can we write that place? Okay, so this is also way of the expanding numbers and this is also way of the expanding numbers. So first we can write standard form. What? Standard form. So 7349. So 7. So which place nana? Thousands place. And 3. Which place? Hundreds place. 3. And next tens. Which place? What nana? 4. And 9. Which place? Ones. So O is denoted as ones and T is denoted as tens and H is denoted as hundreds and TH is denoted as thousands. So 7 and hundreds place 3 and 4 tens place 4 and ones place 9. This is the standard form. And expanded form. 7 which place? 1000. So 7000. And 3 which place? Hundreds place. So 300. And next 4 which place? Tens place. So 40. And next 9 which place? Ones place. So 9. And 7349. So this is the expanded form. So 7000 in words 300. 4 10 and 9 ones. So this is the expansion of numbers. I will repeat it again. The sum of the place values of digits and number, it is called expanded form, and this is the way of the expanding form. This is the also way of the expanded numbers. So for example, 7349 standard form 7000 plus 3 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 0 ones place, and expanded form 7000. So next 3 hundreds and 4 tens 40 and ones 9. So this is numbers. So number name 7300 410 9 1. So this is the expansion of numbers. So next question time. Next question time. Page number 61. So first bit, write the place value encircle digit. Write the place value encircle digit, and first one has been done for you already. Okay. So second one, 6265. Third problem, 5925. So here 2 encircle and here 5. Okay. So this is place value. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 6265. So 2 in is which place? Hundreds place. Hundreds place. So 2 is in ones, tens, hundreds. So 2 is in hundreds place. And next 5925. So 5 which place, Nana? Ones place. 5 in is ones place. Okay. So this is our first bit and second bit. Second bit, write the place value of the encircle digit. And B problem, 8656 and C 9720. So here 5 encircle and 7. So 8656, 9720, okay, 20. So this is first problem, 8656. So 5 ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So 5 is in which place, Nana? Tens place. So 5 into 10 equal to 5 tens are 50. So 50. And next 9720. So ones, tens, hundreds. So which place, Nana? 7 hundreds place. 7 into 100, 700. Okay. So this is the place value. And next bit. Turn a page, Nana. Page number 62. So write the expanded form. Write the expanded form. So here 3322 already done for you. And next B problem 5050. So here, so 5050. So thousands plus hundreds plus tens and next ones. Okay. Okay. 5050. So 5000. So what, Nana, number? 5. Next hundreds place 0. Next tens place 5 and ones place 0. So hundreds place 5000. thousands plus 5,000. Next hundreds 0, and next 5 tens, 5 into 10 50, and here 0, 0 ones. Okay, next bit. Write the numerals for each the following. So A problem, 9,000 plus 300 plus 90 plus 7 numerals. So B problem, 6,000 plus 500 plus 6. Okay. So 9,300 plus 90 plus 7. So 9,397. 9,397. So this is the standard form, and this is the expanded form, and turn into standard form. Okay, 6,506. So there is no tens value. So 6,506. 6,506. So this is the numerals for each following. Okay, first problem, second problem. So this is our class, Nana, today. So okay, until then, bye bye.